All right, Dr. Mike here. So I want to talk a little bit about, for a practice member's experience, someone who may have been new to chiropractic. I've had people ask me, how do I know, how do I identify when chiropractic works? Well, the first thing is the idea is we want to feel better, right? So most people come in because of some unwanted condition and they want to feel better. Um, but it's interesting how when you start with chiropractic, in some instances, if there's a lot of degeneration in the spine, sometimes it's a bit of a roller coaster at the beginning. So it's not necessarily that you feel better immediately, although most people do. Some people go through ups and downs the first few weeks. What I tell my patients is that chiropractic works because there's science and research that backs up what we do. There's also the experience of practice members, the anecdotal research that we see in our practice. I've been doing this 30 years. And so when you apply the laws of chiropractic, just like the laws of physics, they work. And so, one of the things that I teach my practice members is that you may not believe in gravity, but you wouldn't go up on my roof to test that theory. So the idea that someone would come in and say, I'm not sure that I understand, or I'm not sure that I believe chiropractic works. It does work. It works regardless of your belief because it's proven by science. The reality is, though, is that the expression of good health through chiropractic adjustments can be a myriad of different conditions. You could start with more energy. I've had patients tell me they breathe better. We've had a lot of that recently. I had a few practice members just last week. Here we are in late February, tell me that usually in the winter months they get sick multiple times every year. And every time the wind blows the wrong way, they catch the next cold. And I've had multiple practice members that started with us about 6 months ago tell me they didn't get sick at all this winter. Because why? Well, the immune system ramps up through chiropractic adjustments. All the systems of the body basically are foundationally run through the nerve system. So when the nerve system works better, so does everything else. So I hope that helps. And remember, stay informed and get adjusted.